Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
If you are a budget traveler, then public transports can even give you amazing experience like this. In Sri Lanka, no matter where you go, where you travel, you always get to see this beautiful sea view on the other side of the road. From Bentota, we started moving towards Galle or Galle, and we traveled via bus, and it's just a matter of 1.5 hours. So, with the journey of approximately 50 to 60 kilometers, early in the morning with this oceanic view, you would find yourself in Galle. So, the first place that we stepped in Galle was Galle Dutch Fort. Why is it called Dutch Fort? I would be explaining you that in a moment. Well, Galle has a history of fortification by Dutch and Portuguese. And if you want to see the blend of Southeast Asian culture and the Dutch Portuguese culture, Galle Fort is one among them. I didn't like the initial view of this Galle Fort, but as I took my tiny steps ahead, nature wanted me to, see more of this Galle Fort. And as I saw more of it, my perspective towards this place eventually got changed. Walk in this place eventually proved to be the best kickstarter for the day. So I kept walking on the walls of this fort, enjoying the beautiful view of the beach over there. I wanted to give you the precise information on the place that we stayed. From the Galle bus stand, it was just 1.5 kilometers ahead, and the place is called Elliot Road. Galle bus stand, we prefer to go by foot, as tuk-tuks are expensive. It would cost you anywhere between 150 to 200 LKR just to travel 1 to 1.5 kilometers. So as we move further, we found a beautiful, Buddha temple, and if you look at the structure, it's kind of, raw, unpainted structure statue, and behind that you would find another beautiful structure painted with white. It looks like pagoda, or it is one of them. And then when you walk further, you would see the buildings, which is a proof of, or which is an evidence of, the impact of European culture over here. The kind of buildings, the colors, the structures that you see here, it gives you the glimpses of, Dutch style of architecture, or Portuguese style of architecture for that matter. So the renovation and the fortification has always been there, not just once but a number of times. From there we took tuk-tuk and headed towards Spice Garden. This is a spice garden. It's called Manju Spice Garden, and here you would see all kinds of spices grown, which we use in our day-to-day life for cooking purpose. The reason for coming here is to see if we can get some nice, good spices, good quality spices. Unfortunately, we found that the rates of spices were extremely overpriced, and this is the place which connects to the boat service, where you would be taken to the boat safari, and you would be shown different places. Which is again extremely overpriced. It would cost us 6,000 LKR. So this is Unawatuna beach, and it is approximately 4.5 kilometers from Galle bus stand. So we boarded the bus and we paid approximately 100 LKR to and fro.
Ebony.
Ebony.
Yes, Ebony is this the fisherman,
Okay.
Buddha. Ebony. The Red Bull.
These are made up of
Yes, very expensive wood in Sri Lanka. This is the mahogany.
Mahogany.
Mahogany. This is the teak wood.
Okay.
This is the coconut.
Oh,
This is mask and this is the peacock happiness. This is separate.
Okay.
The cobra protection. This is the fire marks energy. This is the factory, is the genuine quality wood.
Okay.
300, 400 years guarantee. This whole area not factory. Some people carving, mango. Mango wood very cheap. This is fisherman big one.
Okay.
Mahogany.
Mahogany wood. Okay.
Same like this car.
So later you will paint it, or
Yeah, the polish, natural polish.
okay. This is also wood, is it?
Yes, wood.
Okay. What wood is it?
This is ebony.
Ebony. Okay. So all black is ebony.
Yes.
Okay.
Black and grey wood, the natural, the one piece.
Okay. So this is a place where a lot of woodwork is done. The souvenirs are being manufactured in this place, and it's a kind of factory, wood factory. And they claim that the most expensive and the top quality wood like mahogany, ebony are being used to manufacture these souvenirs, and it looks beautiful, elegant. However, I do not suggest anyone to purchase items over here, since it is pretty expensive. Where we went to Mahabodhi Buddha temple, which is nearby to the market, local market. So I assume this could be the beautiful end to the day by watching beautiful sunset alongside the beach, and we start moving towards our hotel by taking with us all the beautiful experience of the day.